Assalamualaikum and greetings everyone. We are from Group 14 and today we are going to present about use of palm oil in electricity generation. Our group members are Zubaida, Ain Zulaika, Shirlin, Intan Ardini, and Vivenesh.
Assalamualaikum and good evening. My name is Intardini binti Yahaya. My number matric is A201694. So today I'll present introduction. Palm oil's role in electricity generation is an increasingly debated topic due to its environmental and economic implications. This versatile vegetable oil has gained attention for its potential as a renewable energy source, particularly in regions where palm oil production is prevalent. However, its utilization in electricity generation raises concerns about sustainability, deforestation, and greenhouse gas emissions. Palm oil can be used in several ways to generate electricity. One common method is through biomass plants that burn palm oil biomass, such as empty fruit bunches and palm kernel shells, to produce steam. So, resistant to palm oil present opportunities for electricity generation and renewable energy development. Its widespread use requires a useful consideration of its environmental and social impacts. Balancing this factor is crucial for ensuring that palm oil's role in electricity generation contribute positively to sustainable development goals without compromising environmental integrity or vertical justice. So this process is to compare other biomass energy system, but specifically utilize residues from palm oil processing. The use of palm oil for electricity generation has its proponents and critics. Proponents argue that it offer a renewable energy sources can reduce dependence on fossil fuels and provide economic benefit to palm oil producing regions. So additionally, it can help manage waste from palm oil production and reduce methane emission from biomass decomposition. Conversely, critics highlight significant environmental concerns associated with palm oil cultivation, such as deforestation, habitat destruction, biodiversity loss, and increased greenhouse gas emissions from land use change. So, there are ethical concerns related to labor practice in palm oil industry and the displacement of indigenous communities.
Palm oil as biodiesel. Palm oil is increasingly being used as a feedstock for biodiesel production due to its high yield and cost effectiveness. There are two production processes palm oil as a biodiesel. First, oil extraction. Palm oil is extracted from fruit of the palm oil tree. Second, transesterification. The extractor undergoes a chemical process called transesterification, where it is reacted with methanol or ethanol in the presence of a catalyst, usually sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. This process produces fatty acid methyl esters (FAME), which is biodiesel, and glycerol as a byproduct.
I will explain about the use of palm oil biomass to generate electricity. The production of palm oil also produces biomass and effluents which are usually considered as agricultural waste. Given that these byproducts are generated in large quantities together with the palm oil, the conversion of these wastes provides a promising source of alternative energy. The waste from palm oil meal contains valuable constituents such as cellulose, lignin, starch, hemicellulose, and bioactive compounds. Empty fruit bunches, palm pressed fiber, palm oil meal effluent, and palm fatty acid distillates are among the byproducts that are produced during the processing of palm oil. As these wastes are generated in large amounts annually, a proper handling method is crucial in order to prevent major environmental degradation. Empty fruit bunches are considered as the most massive biomass generated from the palm oil factory compared to other byproducts. Besides, palm pressed fiber is also one of the byproducts produced in the palm oil production. Empty fruit bunches and palm pressed fibers are usually used as fuel to supply steam and generate electricity in the palm oil mills. The solid biomass are burned to generate steam from the boiler to power the palm oil mill's cogeneration system. Furthermore, the utilization of biomass fuel for power generation contributes to further carbon emission reduction from coal power generation. Palm oil mills generate a large amount of palm oil meal effluent, which is a wastewater during the production of crude palm oil. The high organic content in palm oil meal effluent have high potential for biogas production and utilization. At present, there are 125 palm oil mills that have biogas plants. Biogas can be utilized for steam generation and electricity production. In anaerobic condition, the bacteria will reduce the organic content in the wastewater and release methane and carbon dioxide. As for the current status in Malaysia, Biogas is used for steam generation, downstream business activities, electrical generation, and combined heat and power. The most common utilization is used directly for heat and electricity generation. The increasing demand for biomethane has led to a total of 125 biogas plants that are fully operated in Malaysia as recorded in December 2020. This contributes to 28% of the nationwide biogas implementation, and most of the biogas plant from total biogas plant contributes to the national grid. The project of biogas plant primarily is observed through Synergy SEA Sdn Berhad, which is one of the leading companies in the production of biomethane in Malaysia.
Palm oil offers several notable advantages in electricity generation, making it a promising alternative to traditional fossil fuels. Primarily, palm oil provides a sustainable and reliable source of electricity, crucial for supporting both industrial and domestic activities. This reliability stems from its ability to serve as a renewable energy source, contributing to energy security and reducing dependence on finite fossil fuels. Furthermore, the production technologies associated with combined heat and power CHP system play a significant role in optimizing fuel use. CHP systems efficiently convert power into electricity and heat simultaneously, achieving high fuel efficiency and minimizing energy losses compared to separate production methods. The sustainability of network system is another critical aspect where palm oil contributes positively. By integrating palm oil-based electricity generation into the grid, this system can enhance their resilience and stability, accommodating the fluctuating nature of renewable energy sources. Additionally, using palm oil in energy production helps reduce the adverse environmental impacts typically associated with conventional energy sources. The byproducts from palm oil-based electricity generation, such as residual biomass, can be repurposed to generate steam in boiler houses, further enhancing the overall efficiency and minimizing waste. Lastly, the sustainability of conversion technology in palm oil-based electricity generation ensures that the processes used to convert palm oil into energy are continually optimized for minimal environmental footprint. This includes advancement in combustion technology, emission control, and waste management, which collectively contribute to a cleaner and more sustainable energy production cycle. These factors highlight the potential of palm oil to support a greener, more efficient, and reliable energy future.
I'm going to present about disadvantage of palm oil industry. First, deforestation. The cultivation of palm oil often involves deforestation. This leads to habitat loss for endangered species such as orangutan, tigers, and rhinos. This will contribute to biodiversity loss and ecosystem degradation. Next is greenhouse gas emission. The processing of palm oil into biofuel or for direct combustion release greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide and methane into the atmosphere that contributing to climate change. Next is water pollution. Palm oil plantation often use large amount of chemical fertilizer and pesticide which can contaminate water sources. This affecting both aquatic ecosystem and local communities who rely on these water supplies for drinking and agriculture. Lastly is land use change. Converting land for palm oil plantation can replace indigenous communities and small-scale farmers that leading to social conflicts over land rights and livelihoods.
Palm oil, which is considered as the world's most versatile vegetable oil, has the potential to replace the usage of fossil fuels as the main source to generate electricity. Palm oil and the byproducts, which include palm pressed fiber, palm oil meal effluent, and palm fatty acid distillates, are sources for various valuable bioproducts such as biofuels and also biogas. Biofuel and biomass that are produced from palm oil plantation and mills can be utilized to produce cleaner energy. Sustainability palm oil certification given to the palm oil plantation owners help to minimize impacts of palm oil production towards the environment. It is hoped that the research and development on palm oil and green technologies will create a brighter future for Malaysia. Thank you.